Audio files. Make it hit again.
Yeah, look at me now. Yo, what's up? I'm Messiah Dawn, and welcome back to another reaction, y'all. I just got the best news in the world, okay? Florida just passed a law to death penalty for all child rapists. Rejoice! Rejoice! Thank the heavens. I told y'all, Florida is one of my favorite states. They say a lot of crazy people in Florida, but every time I go to Florida, I always have a great time. I've been to many places in Florida. I've been to Hollywood, Florida. I've been to Miami, Florida. I've been to Cape Coral. I've been to where else I've been? I've been to Panama City, Spring Hill, Tampa. I love everything about Florida. It's this beautiful place, and now they passing laws like this. Thank you, Florida. So it says a new law that could lead to imposing the death penalty on people who rape children under the age of 12 will take effect Sunday. I guess that Sunday passed. The controversial measure will draw legal challenges as U.S. Supreme Court and Florida Supreme Court proceedings have barred death penalty sentence for rapists. During May 1st bill signing event in Brevard County, Governor Ron DeSantis, hold on, let me move this out of the way, I gotta pop up. Governor Ron DeSantis said the measure is for the protection of children. Yes, unfortunately in our society we have very heinous sex crimes that are committed against children under the age of 12 years old, DeSantis said. These are really the worst of the worst. The perpetrators of these crimes are often serial offenders. Judges could have the discretion to impose the death penalty or sentence defendants to life in prison. If fewer than 8 jurors recommend death, judges would have to impose life sentences. I would love to be a juror in one of these cases. A serial offender, that means they do it more than one time. The bill would affect what is known as the sentence phase of cases. Juries would still need to unanimously find defendant guilty of the crimes before the sentence phase would begin. Okay, that's fair. That is fair. The measure was approved 34-5 in the Senate and 95-14 in the House. In voting against the measure in April, Senator Rosalind Osgood, D. Fort Lauderdale, said the bill presented her with a quandary. I love kids and I'll do anything to protect them, Osgood said. Yes, but I struggle from a faith perspective. If I believe in my faith that God can redeem and save anybody, then how do I support someone getting the death penalty? And I'm just talking about me. That's my struggle and that's my challenge. Right, listen, I'm not trying to promote death, but I do not show any remorse for child molesters, okay? Fuck them. Fuck them. And I know a lot of people would agree. And I'm pretty sure, listen, I know some people who don't need no law or Supreme Court to push no death penalty. Motherfuckers will shoot you in your face if you touch their child. Let's go ahead and look at this news coverage and see what they say.
State lawmakers are set to take up a bill tomorrow that would allow child rapists to be executed. It's under HB 1297. This proposal would not require a unanimous jury. West 2's Gail Pascal Brown joins us live tonight from the Orange County Courthouse. Gail, you talked to a child advocate.
Yes, Christina, and that child advocate is concerned about healing, not about sentencing, not about law enforcement. You know, April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and sadly enough, 1 in 5 children will suffer abuse before the age of 18.
Embrace Family CEO Glenn Castle says on any given day in Central Florida, there's nearly 3,000 children that are open to a child abuse case.
Whoa.
Now, certainly not all of those children have had an egregious kind of sexual abuse assaulted on them.
Embrace Families is a lead foster care agency in Central Florida. State lawmakers are set to vote on House Bill 1297 on Thursday. The bill would make the crime of sexual battery on a child under the age of 12 eligible for the death penalty.
What is your reaction to that?
Well, we're really not in the enforcement side of this equation, right? For us, the issue is very clear, and that is what has happened to the child, and how do we try to bring that child from that point of trauma, of pain, confusion, fear.
To a point, he says, of safety, health, and healing. One way to help is through child advocacy centers, which are located in each county. A new location, operated by Embrace Families, just opened Wednesday in Kissimmee. The centers help children by offering a range of services designed to reduce trauma and promote healing for child abuse victims and their families.
All of these things can help to really bring an atmosphere of comfort and safety for a child. And of course, most importantly, the law enforcement and coordinated examinations so that it's a one-stop shop for a child that's been a victim of abuse.
Now, for mentoring, volunteering, adoption, even foster care, you can get involved by contacting Embrace Families. Now, on the bill side, SB 1342 is the Senate companion to House Bill 1297. Live in Orlando, I'm Gail Pascal Brown, WESH 2 News.
All right, Gail, thank you.
Thanks, Gail. Hey, I'm all for it. I am all for it. 2 questions. Why are they now putting this law out? And why isn't this all over America? Or even all over the world? Listen, man. I'm happy about this. They need to do this all over the world, man. All over America. Let it be no. Listen, yo, I can't stand people who do this. Like, why would you even want to do that to a child, bro, under 12 years old? Like, how would you even get aroused at that? Like, listen, man, they deserve this. And to all the people out there who raping children, God coming for you. Oh, it's over for y'all. Y'all done for. I'm all for this, y'all. I'm happy about this. I'm gonna go ahead and like this. I think this just passed yesterday, October 1st. So yeah, this is excellent news. Thank you, Florida, one of my favorite states. I don't care what nobody say. You can say whatever you want about Florida. Thank you, Florida. And is it only just like in one part of Florida? Is it all of Florida? I think it's all of Florida. It got to be all of Florida. But they need to do that in Georgia, all the 50 states. So, yes, put your comments down below and tell me how you feel about the situation. I think this is an excellent idea. Go ahead and like, subscribe. If you like my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. See you on the next video. Peace. Don't be touching no goddamn kids.